Good morning. I hope you are all fine at home. Okay. Then, before starting the class, let me discuss what I taught you in the last class. What I taught you in the last class, children? I think second chapter finished and also I have started with the exercise, right? In that exercise, that question answers I already made a PDF and I will send you children. You have to write in a CW. Okay. As I said you many times, you have two books, right? That ECW and EHW. Okay. No need to write anything in a ECW. Till I say you to write something. Okay. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋತನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಸಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೂ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ ಇ ಎಚ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು teach you in the class you have to note it in the HW and also you have to update with the homework. Okay, next now I move on to the exercise. Okay, in that exercise we have finished question answers. Children, let me recall. Who asked Manu to go to the summer camp? Summer camp ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? His mother. His mother, instead of his mother you have to use there Manu's mother. Okay, Manu's mother said to go for the summer camp. Okay, second one, children, why did she think a summer camp would be a good idea for him? Why his mother thought that going to summer camp is very good idea? Why? ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು ಅಮ್ಮ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಯಾಕೆ? To change his mood. Okay, to make a many friends. Then after that, for what purpose she said to go for the summer camp? To get a many ideas. Okay, you have to write like this, children. Next, third question, where was the summer camp held? Summer camp ellittu? Dehradun. Okay, summer camp was held in the Dehradun. Dehradun is a city of where? Uttarakhand. Okay, then they have given here three options, children. You have to select which one is correct and suitable for that. What did Manu and Mukul do on the first day of camp? In the day that Manu and Mukul went to the summer camp, right? In the first day of that summer camp, what that Mukul have done? First they have done the clay modeling. Okay, after that in the second day they went for the swimming classes. Okay, after that what they have done? Dancing and singing classes they have taken a coach where in the summer camp. Okay, then fifth question, what did Manu make in the clay modeling class? In the clay modeling class what that Manu have done? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವನು clay modeling ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ ಬಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತರ? No, he have done something in the clay modeling class. What he have done? First he have done the caterpillar. Okay, second one tomato. That first tell me, children, clay modeling means what? ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. Okay, but nowadays it's a trend. Okay, then however the generation is going fast, so many things are coming newly. Okay, that clay in the sense it is also soil, but it's made by a very smooth thing and it used to play from the children itself. Okay, till this 5 question answers I have discussed, children. Now I move on to the grammar section. Okay, that grammar section also I have started. What I taught you in the grammar section? 3 articles, right? What are those 3 articles? If you are seated with your parent or a friend or a cousin brothers, you have to say the answer. What question I am going to ask you now? ನಾನು ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What are the 3 articles? That those are a and the. Okay, then and also I said you the uses of that a and. Okay, a and the. And I said you uses and the functions of a and article. Now I am going with the article, children. Where you have to use this a and a ಮತ್ತೆ an article ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to use these two articles in the where if a word is starting with a consonants we have to use the a. Then if a word is starting with a vowel backside of word we have to use a an. Okay. Next we move on to the article. See here children, take out your textbook everyone. Then page number 15. Now read these sentences. They have given here some sentences. I saw a girl yesterday. She had an egg. An egg. Why they have used their an children? That egg started with the vowel voice. Okay. So they have used their an. She ate the egg, not the tomato. Definite article. She, see it. Someone have seen that. ನೋಡಿದಾರೆ ಅವಳು ಎಗ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅವಳು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ. ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ತಿಂದಿರಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್, ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರುತ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ದ. The earth is round. Okay, the earth is round. Earth round age ide. Okay, that shape of an earth can't change. Adenagtೈತಿ, change ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So it's a definite. So we have used there the article. Okay, then the stars are twinkling in the moon. Okay, the stars are twinkling in the moon itself. Okay, the stars itself are twinkling in the moon. Okay, so we have used there the article. Okay, these are all the examples children, whatever I have given which are not there in textbook. Okay, now I am going to give the examples which are there in your textbook. See here, that is, my sister drew a picture. Drew means it's a past form of a draw here. Okay, my sister drew a picture. The picture was beautiful. See here, they have used here the picture. Why? Because his sister drawn that. He know that who draw that, and it's a very fantastic. So they have used there the. Okay, then the is called as a definite article. As I said you in the last class children, there are three articles, a, comma, and. Okay, then a and. These are two indefinite article. That the is considered as a definite article. Why? Because it shows a definite. Okay, the earth is round, then the stars are twinkling in the moon. Okay, these are definite questions, definite sentences. So behind that we are using the article. So we call this the as a definite article. If anybody asks you how many articles are there, this question regarding grammar. Okay, if anybody asks you how many articles are there in your home, articles andre grammar prakara a and the. Okay, if generally ask you articles andre things kuda bartiti. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, if anybody asks you the question related to grammar, how many articles are there, you have to answer there three articles. What are those? A and the. Keep in mind children, don't forget these three articles when you go for higher studies. These all the articles are very useful for you. Okay, then how many definite articles are there? Only one, that is the. Indefinite articles 2. Okay, next, unlike a and an, we can use the before both singular and plural nouns and both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, the child is crossing the road. The child are crossing the road. See here, we have used there in front of the countable and uncountable. Child is a countable noun. Okay, that children is uncountable. They have not counted yet, they have to count. So before the countable and uncountable nouns they have used there the article, that is definite article. Okay, next, the sun is shining brightly. Sun is bright agi shine antadalla, it's a definite noun. So behind that they have used there the sun. Okay, next, Ramnath Kovind is the president of India. Okay, it's a perfect and it's a confident, it's a real. So they have used it. Ramnath Kovind is the president of India. Okay, next, we use before the superlative form of an adjective. Example, what is the tallest building in the world? That is most beautiful picture in the gallery. See here, what is the tallest building in the world? They have used the superlative form. Okay, it's nothing but a question mark. They have used the article. Okay, see here children, Up to page number 16 I have completed. Next in the page number 16 they have given an exercise related to that a and the. Okay, next see here, complete each sentence below by writing the correct article in the space provided. They have given their space and also they have given three articles. You have to choose the correct articles, which article is suitable for that sentences you have to use it. Okay, Anu, Kaya got dash new puppy. Kaya got a new puppy. Which article we have to use there, children? If article. Okay. I am discussing the questions which are there in page number 16. Page number 16. Take out your textbook, children. If you are sitting with the, while you are watching the videos, if you are sitting without textbook, you may not understand anything. So once again I am telling you, while you are watching the videos, please sit with the textbook. Okay. Page number 16, children, that is A. In first question we are using the article, that is A itself. Okay. Second question. Sachin, how nice. Have you seen dash puppy? Have you seen a puppy? Sachin ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? How nice. Have you seen? Have you seen a puppy? Next, C. Next, Anu. There is no space here, children. Then they have not given a dash there. So skip. We are going to skip for Sachin. Okay. Sachin. Her house is across the street from Chinese restaurant that has the best chow mein. Okay. A and a the. Next. Sachin, hers is dash biggest house on that street. Hers is the biggest. The biggest. Next, E. All right, thanks. It's a conversation and they have given space there, children, to fill up the correct articles. Okay, it's finished. Next, vocabulary. In that vocabulary, they have. I am discussing about page number 16, children. Please look at the page number 16. That is gender. Gender means what? Gender means male, female. Okay. Then what is the gender of boy? Boy means boy, girl. Okay. Then wife, husband, mother, father. Then they have given here, children. Let us discuss now. Nouns and pronouns can be divided into four genders. The nouns and pronouns. See, children, just I am giving you an idea about the exercise what they have given in your textbook. Okay. Then explain. Complete explanation will given in the grammar classes. Okay. That just study now. Nouns and pronouns can be divided into four genders. Noun means what? Noun is a name of a person, thing, place. Okay, that he called as a noun. Can you give me an example for nouns, children? Noun examples ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Name of a person. Name of a person ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ person ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. It may be a Ramesh, Suresh, Ganesh, Kalmesh, like that. Okay, it's an example for the noun. Why? Because it's the name of a person. Okay, then places. It may be a Nidgundi, Bangalore, Almaty. It be called as a noun because these are all the names of a particular places. Okay. Next, see here. Nouns and pronouns that denote female person or animals belong to the feminine gender. Feminine gender is nothing but a female. Okay. Woman, girl, she. Woman, it's a feminine gender. Okay. Girl, she. These are girls. Okay. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು feminine gender. Okay, boys again the masculine gender. They have given there nouns and pronouns that denote a male person. If a noun or a pronoun is denoting a female, we are calling it as a feminine gender. Okay, what we say in English easily, children? ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು masculine gender. Okay, the nouns and the pronouns that denote a male person or animals belong to the masculine gender. For example, man, boy, and boy, he. Okay, then before this, children, I have given you an example. Sorry, I have given you homework. What homework I have given you in the last class? That was a, you have to write an example for the articles a and. Okay, today's class I am going to give example for the, write an example for feminine gender and masculine gender. Okay, next, nouns and pronouns that are neither feminine and masculine belong to the neutral gender. See here children, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಆಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂತದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ, ಇದು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇದು ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದು. ಇದು ಹುಡುಗನ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹುಡುಗನ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ neither a girl nor a boy, so we call it as a neutral gender. Okay, that for example is, take a non-living things. It may be a duster, laptop, or a textbook, or a board. This we call as a neutral gender. Okay, then next, page number 17. Look at the underlined nouns and pronouns in the sentences below. Sort them according to their gender and write each one in the table below. See here children, they have given 5 sentences and also they have underlined there some words. First lesson, first sentence is, look children, the moon is hiding behind a cloud. Look at underlined nouns and pronouns in the sentences. Sort them according to their gender. Moon is a hiding in the behind the cloud. Moon, cloud. These two are neutral gender. Okay. The teacher scolded the boy. See here children, the teacher. It may be a boy teacher or girl teacher. Teacher ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದು. ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾರೆ ಏನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ನೋಡು, ಟೀಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇಲಿಗೂ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಮೇಲಿಗೂ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, it may be a boy or girl. Okay, next, scolded the boy. Boy means which one children? This one, masculine gender. Okay, next, I asked my cousin if she wanted to go to the movies with me. She means feminine. Okay, next, teach a boy. Boy means masculine. Next, the swimmer who won the silver is as good as one who won the gold. See, next they have given here, sorry children, the nouns and pronouns are divided into 4 genders. What are those? First one, feminine, masculine, next neutral gender, next common gender. Okay, common gender means nouns that be either masculine or feminine. Teacher anta karತೀವಿ, ಹೌದು. ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗರ್ಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಎರಡೂನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಟ್ನ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So that we call as a common gender. Teacher is an example for the common gender. Okay, next, ಹುಡುಗಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, give me example for common gender children. Lawyer. ಹುಡುಗಿನೂ ಲಾಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹುಡುಗನೂ ಲಾಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಟೀಚರ್, doctor. Okay, doctor, officers. She may be a girl or boy, I don't know, but officer is a common thing for the female and male, so we call it as a common gender. Okay, teacher, pupil, doctor, and a baker. Baker means bakery ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋನು. ಹುಡುಗನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹುಡುಗಿನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, again I am going to recall this children. How many genders are there? 4 genders are there. What are those? First one is a feminine, masculine, next neutral gender, next common gender. Okay, then you have to write example for these all the nouns, all the genders at the home. It's a today's homework. Okay, that nouns and pronouns that denote a female person or ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಂತು, ಬಾಯ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ as a feminine gender. Okay, nouns and pronouns that denote the male person ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ masculine. Okay, now I am going to take an example, children. Mother, father. Okay, here two words are there, mother and father. Then mother is a which gender, children? It's a feminine gender. Why? Because it's a word or a noun. It's related to the female. Okay, so we call it as a feminine gender. Okay, then father is masculine gender. Next, give me example for the neutral gender. Bench. ಇದು ಹುಡುಗನೂ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿನೂ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It's a non-living thing, so we call it as a neutral gender. Okay, then another one, common gender example, lawyer. Okay, they may be a girl or boy, that we call as an example for the common gender. Okay, if I have given you homework examples, you will perfectly come to know, children. Next we move on to the writing. They have given their diary entry. Why? Because they went for summer camp, right? Elders will used to say you children what, after coming back to tour, they will make you to write a note what you have done there, then which places you went, then at what time you reached there, then at what time you have left the summer camps. Like this, whatever the notes we are going to write on the summer camp, that is called as a diary entry. Okay, ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಡೇ ಒಳಗೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತನಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಡೈರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಡೈರಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್? ಲೆಟ್ us see now, children. That page number 17. A diary is a means for one personal use. Here, have you seen diary? That class diary, personal diary, and official diary. Okay, class diary in the sense, for what purpose you are using that diary, children? For homework purpose. Then if you have any doubts, if you have any complaints on you, teachers may use to write in your diary. Okay, that is school diary. Personal diary in the sense, whatever you have done in your life, whatever you have done in the day, you have to maintain it. That is called as a personal diary. Okay, a diary is meant for one personal use, and a diary entry is an extremely a personal piece of writing. As the diary is not meant to be seen by the others, there is no set format for it. Okay, however, diary entries are arranged chronologically, that is according to the date. See, have you seen diary, children? In the next class I am going to show that diary ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಡೈರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ತದೆ? If it is a school diary, they used to mention their class, subject, okay, timetable, everything. If it is a official diary or a bank diary, what are the things are there? ಡೈರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ಡೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಡೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, then year, then quotations also there below the page. Okay, page ಕೆಳಗೆ quotations ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, have you seen the diary, children? If you have not seen the diary, after watching this video you have to see, call to your mother and father and show me diary like that. Okay, they will show you how the diary, how the personal diary, how the official diary, everything. Okay, next, dear diary, as if addressing a living person, you can decide whether or not do it. When the diary entry ends, you should sign it. See here, already you are using this one diary, children, not a personal diary, for classwork, homework, everything. Okay, they have said here Monday 13 February 20 they have given there, but in which year we are living? 2020. Okay, on Monday what you have done? ನೀವು ಮಂಡೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎದ್ದು ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏನು ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತೀರಾ, ಏನು ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಂಡೇ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. I went here, I have done that, I have done this, I have ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡೈರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ homework children. Next, listening and speaking. Listening means hearing whatever your teacher is saying now, that you have to hear, that is nothing but a listening. Okay, speaking means something you have to express, sharing, that we call as a speaking, with a sound, with a noise, that we call as a speaking. Okay, role play, they have given here one activity children. Let us see now. Work in pairs with one of you playing the role of Manu and the other role of Mukul. Here, if it is a regular class children, definitely I was going to make this activity in the class itself. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅವರು, ಇಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ನು ಮುಕುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಮನು ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Act out what you think happened when Manu and Mukul went to the clay modeling class for the first time. Your teacher will play the role model of instructor. See here, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಮನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಕುಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದಿನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಕ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ma'am also there, then what she have instructed there, how you have done that one, you have to discuss yourself, they told you. Okay, next, up to page number 18 your second chapter is going to finish children. Next, that is, they have given a small poem related to the summer camp. Little Timmy likes to dance poem. That who is that girl? Her girl name is Little Timmy. She want to dance. Okay. Then this poem I am going to start in the next class children. Now I am going to end up the class by giving the homework. What homework I am going to give you today? I told you, write an example for the all the genders. All the genders means 4 genders are there. Five examples. Write an example. Write an example for types of the gender. Okay, five examples you have to write. Where you have to write this one is the homework? In the EHW. Okay. I hope you all understood this class. I will meet you in the next class children. Whatever I am going to teach in the class, please regular with the work and homework. Then till I say you to write in a CW, please don't touch that CW. And 2 lessons I have finished and 2 question answers I am going to make a PDF and I will send you children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.